Defense budgets around the world are increasing at rates not seen since the Cold War. Trillions of dollars are flowing into defense companies amid rising global conflicts. But the biggest budgets aren't going toward tanks. The companies benefiting most are on the cutting edge of modern warfare. Today, we explore 3 innovative defense companies that could potentially double in value as they lead the revolution in 21st century combat. The world is entering a new cycle of military competition, with powers like China and Russia seeking to revise the international order. This has forced unprecedented increases in defense spending globally. However, this isn't your father's defense industry. We're witnessing the most exciting transformation in warfare in decades, driven by artificial intelligence and what's called networked or distributed warfare. Traditional mass armor warfare, tanks punching through lines, is becoming obsolete. Ukraine has demonstrated that expensive tanks can be destroyed by cheap drones equipped with simple missiles. The future belongs to swarms of thousands of drones communicating with each other, satellites and command centers, sharing real-time targeting and kill information. It's a complete revolution in military strategy. The first company positioned to benefit from this transformation is Elbit Systems, trading under the symbol ESLT. This Israeli company trades at $425 per share, though rumors suggest a potential 4-for-1 stock split may be coming. Elbit's financial performance is, well, pretty impressive. In 2024, their revenue reached $6.8 billion, which is actually up 14%. Operating income came in at $489 million. The company also maintains a massive $22 billion backlog, and annual growth is expected to jump by 20% as these contracts are fulfilled. Elbit plays a crucial role in Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system, but more importantly, they're pioneering the next-generation Iron Beam system. This revolutionary technology uses lasers to knock down incoming projectiles, a core competency where Elbit really excels. With President Trump pushing for a so-called Golden Dome missile defense system in America, Elbit is expected to play a significant role in bringing this Israeli-proven technology to the United States. The company benefits from increased European defense spending, as NATO countries seek advanced weapon systems they just don't manufacture domestically. This creates substantial growth opportunities for companies like Elbit that possess cutting-edge technology. AeroVironment, symbol AVAV, trades at $189 per share and represents what could be called the Palantir of drones. This company is becoming a true drone superpower, positioned to dominate the networked warfare revolution. With 2024 revenue of $700 million and net income of $60 million, AeroVironment may seem smaller than traditional defense giants, but they're perfectly positioned for the future. The Pentagon's Project Replicator initiative aims to deploy thousands of coordinated drones in swarm formations, exactly the technology AeroVironment specializes in. The recent acquisition of Blue Halo has transformed AeroVironment's capabilities, making them the best-positioned company with superior technology for winning major contracts. As European nations increase defense spending in response to geopolitical pressures, AeroVironment is securing contracts across Denmark, Italy, and other NATO countries daily. Conservative analyst estimates suggest the stock could reach approximately $370 per share, representing significant upside from current levels. This company is integral to America's planned Golden Dome defense system and the broader shift toward distributed warfare. Kratos Defense and Security, trading as KOS at around $40 per share, focuses on 3 critical areas: drones, satellites, and hypersonic missiles. This company represents exceptional value in the defense transformation space. Hypersonic missiles represent a game-changing technology. Unlike traditional missiles that follow predictable point A to point B trajectories, hypersonic missiles can maneuver in flight, moving left, right, up, down, and sideways. They travel at hypersonic speeds and are extremely difficult to track or defend against, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Kratos reported revenue of approximately $1 billion, which is up 17%, with a substantial backlog that's really driving future growth. While net income dropped to $6 million due to increased research and development spending, acquisitions, and integration expenses, this investment actually positions the company for significant future returns. And as these integration costs normalize, analysts expect substantial improvements in profitability. The company's pioneering work in hypersonic technology, combined with their drone and satellite capabilities, honestly makes them a true disruptor in the defense space. The transformation from traditional warfare to distributed AI-powered combat is creating, well, some unprecedented opportunities. Lessons from Ukraine really demonstrate that expensive traditional weapon systems are vulnerable to cheap, intelligent drones. The future belongs to maneuverability, speed, and swarm tactics, principles that echo historical military innovations like Genghis Khan's mounted warfare advantage. So, laser technology, it's really going to become crucial for defense systems. In scenarios, like a potential China-Taiwan conflict, traditional naval vessels could be overwhelmed by thousands of incoming drones. Lasers, on the other hand, provide unlimited ammunition at approximately $1 per shot, compared to those expensive missiles that eventually run out. These three companies, Elbit Systems, AeroVironment, and Kratos Defense, represent the vanguard of military technology development. Unlike the consolidated, slow-moving defense giants of the post-Cold War era, these companies move quickly, innovate rapidly, and are winning contracts by providing superior technology solutions. Defense spending increases are likely to continue for years as the world enters a new period of great power competition. The goal of such spending is deterrence, maintaining overwhelming technological and military superiority to discourage conflicts, rather than provoke them. While these companies represent significant growth opportunities, investors should consider the inherent volatility in defense stocks and the potential for geopolitical events to impact stock prices. However, the long-term trend toward increased global defense spending and the revolutionary nature of these technologies suggest substantial potential returns. These three defense companies are positioned at the forefront of a military revolution. As traditional warfare gives way to AI-powered distributed combat systems, early investors in these technologies could see substantial returns. The combination of massive government spending, technological disruption, and proven capabilities makes these companies compelling investment opportunities for those seeking exposure to the defense transformation trend.